Thinking about a vacation this year? We are sure you're curious about the cleaning process to ensure the safety of you and your family. At Village Realty, we take cleaning and safety seriously and have been improving our already high standards in light of the novel coronavirus. For years, we've used cleaning and disinfecting products that meet or exceed performance specifications outlined by the U.S. Center for Disease Control, the CDC. Regardless the length of your stay, every property is professionally cleaned with these materials and standards before your arrival. Our staff of cleaners are rigorously trained in best-in-industry methods and subject to regular performance reviews. We also have inspectors that follow behind to ensure our standards for your safety are being met. We want you to know that we're taking extra measures in light of the novel coronavirus to keep you, your family, our employees, and the community safe in our vacation homes. We are placing extra emphasis on cleaning and disinfecting touch points in the home. No surface that someone would touch is going uncleaned and undisinfected. When you book an Outer Banks vacation with Village Realty, you can rest assured that you and your loved one's safety is priority number one. We have a long-standing track record for customer service and will overcome these new challenges so you can still enjoy precious and well-earned vacation time together safely. From all of us at Village Realty, we look forward to seeing you at the beach very soon.